anyone about their dog or cat, they'll tell you how great they are. They likely won't mention their breath. Bad breath in pets is caused by dental disease, which can cause other health-related problems if not treated. Dr. Doug Patriquin with Dr. Kelly's surgical unit is here to help us keep our pets' pearly whites healthy. And you brought your dog too. Who's this?
This is Romy.
Hello, Romy.
Hello, Romy. Say hello.
So you think of like puppy breath. I know it's so cute, it's so adorable. And dog breath isn't great by design. I mean, they never get to brush their teeth. Tell me about kind of the health of the dog just as it is.
Right. So when they're a puppy, you know, just like we have babies, or when the babies start getting their teeth, you know, everything is good. Disease hasn't set in. It's all the very beginning.
Yeah.
And then quickly, between about age 2 or 3, dental disease is almost always set in with pets to some degree.
2 to 3.
The age of 2 to 3.
Okay.
Yeah, it's pretty popular. 70 to 80% of pets have some form of dental disease by the time they're 2 or 3.
How serious is that of a problem?
Oh, initially, not much.
Yeah.
Just like with us, you know, if we don't go to the dentist for a couple of years, it couldn't be a big deal. But when you do that as you get older, it can be a really big deal. And so starting proper dental care with your pet early is the best and cheapest option, the healthiest for them.
Yeah, so everyone wins.
Everyone wins, that's right.
So you have some things that you brought here to help with our fresh breath for our pets, etc. This little dog. Well, let's start with the toothbrush. What's this?
This is a toothbrush. The easiest and cheapest thing for you to do is, of course, take care of your dog's teeth at home. Admittedly, it can be rather tedious, and not everyone loves to do it, but let's be honest, it is a possibility. You absolutely have to get dog-friendly toothpaste. There is poison inside human toothpaste, so you must go get, and they make better flavors. Liver, chicken, you know, stuff that mint isn't for them, but the fish they may like. And so then use the toothbrush. You want to make sure the actually most important part is lifting up the lip and getting all the way back to the carnassial teeth back here. These are the ones you don't really see when you lift your dog's lips. And those are the areas where that bad breath can be coming from.
How well does that go with this dog?
This particular dog, we do not brush her teeth. I'm sorry we're not as diligent. We're probably a lot like everyone else out there, but there are some tremendous people who are very, very diligent. There's 2 different ways. You can do it with a regular toothbrush that looks very similar to a human one. There's another one that fits in your finger, make it a little easier so you can get sort of tactile response. They even make kinds that aren't toothpaste, but they're actually like little wipes that you one-off that you pull out of a jar and rub on their mouth to help with the enzymatic process there.
The greenies might be the way people want to go.
Greenies
is this just something you eat?
Not personally.
The dog eats?
Yeah, they actually don't smell too bad compared to some of the others, but they've been around a long time. They are tried and true, super tested. You can get them at any pet food store, online, otherwise. They are phenomenal.
Okay, so that's something that you could just give the dog a bone.
Easy
and
peasy.
They're good to go.
Once a day. The only thing is, you know, like with any treat, just don't over-treat them. It's just unhealthy to have a dog that eats too much,
What could this lead to if not treated?
The first thing is like dental disease. So the first thing you start seeing is the browning at the top of the teeth, but by the time that sets in, it's possible for it to be going subgingival, which is where if you don't go to an actual dental care facility, like a veterinary practice, to have the teeth cleaned, they don't sit there like we do when they do the descaling and the polishing. Cleaning a dog's teeth is basically the same way that the dentists clean human teeth. They get in there with the scalers, either the hand scalers or piezo scalers, and then they get in there with the polisher and polish it all up. It's exactly the same with dogs.
How often should we do that?
Depending on the size of the dog and how profound the dental disease is, it could be from 6 months to a year. On a general basis, larger dogs, shepherds and danes and retrievers tend to need dentistry less often. The smaller dogs, the wiener dogs, even she's about a medium-sized dog, it could be in the 6 to 8 month range.
I think of our dog, and every morning, it's like lots of mouth work, we call it. Lots of smacking, licking, and a lot of are they doing a little teeth cleaning?
Don't know. That could be that could just be. There's no indication of that. But it is possible for you. Maybe you don't get in your dog's face all the time. For some reason or another, you notice that they're eating less, or they're pawing at their face, or they're drooling a little more often than they would be. It wouldn't be a bad idea to go touch your dog's face, and if they don't like that too much, you might recognize there's something going on in there, and bring them to a vet to take a quick look in there.
Mention the discoloration again that we might see.
Well, it starts off as a light brown, it gets into dark brown, and then you could even see some pocketing, and that pocketing can start to collect debris or food in that area, and once that starts to happen, the smell starts to exacerbate as well as the disease.
All right, well, I'll take a look at Lucky's mouth when I get home.
Right.
Maybe he's just being a weird little morning dog.
It just happens.
Stretching out and doing his thing. Thank you so much. Thanks for, we love our animals so much. We want to give them as much love and care so they can stay with us forever. Thank you.
You're very